Hi guys, today I'm doing a video with my little girl. Sweetie! Look at her. Don't you just love when I do videos with her? I think so. You guys can't lie to me. I know when you're lying. So you can never, ever, 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 ever lie to me. Okay? Do we have a deal? Yes. Comment down below in the comments. Yes or no if we have a deal. You say yes. You see a cat like this in your life. And if you say no, you will never, ever, ever see a cat like this. You basically have already seen a cat like this, but in real life. That's why you have to subscribe, share, comment, and like. And you will get a little She is so excited today when she doesn't look like it. Are you excited? Smirk if you're excited. She smirked and then looked back at the camera like